Changing the oil on certain Ford and Lincoln vehicles isn't always clean and easy. For instance, on 2011 and later F-150s, the original equipment drain plug is above and forward of the front sway bar. As countless owners and service techs have learned, when you open the plug, oil splashes on the bar and runs everywhere. Dorman's new OE Fix twist drain plug is specifically built to prevent this problem on the F-150, but also works just as well on other vehicles where sway bar interference isn't as much of a problem. Totally redesigned, it incorporates a downward-facing spout to better control the flow of oil into the catch pan. It's made of high-temp polymers like the original part and features an easy twist drain valve that requires only a flat screwdriver to open. Installation is simple. Just remove the factory drain plug from the oil pan, install the Dorman OE Fix plug in its place, and change the way you change your oil.